In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to protect PDF files with passwords and permissions in C#. What is up, guys? Today we're going to learn about the securities and permissions of PDFs using IronPDF. I'm going to go ahead and assume that you already have IronPDF installed, so we're going to go ahead and jump into the program.cs file and check out the code. All right, so what we've done here is we created a new PDF document from an HTML code using the Chrome PDF renderer. Then we set the owner password and user password. And the owner password is to allow or disallow the editing of the document, and the user password is to protect the document from unauthorized viewing. And the resulting PDF is then saved to our C drive as protected.pdf. So now let's jump into the next section where we work with existing encrypted files. So here we first open our previously created protected.pdf file, and then we edit its metadata, and we change the author's name, add some keywords, and set the modified date to the current time. Next, we adjust the security settings. We remove the previously set passwords and encryption, and then we make the PDF read-only by setting a new owner password. We also disable annotations, copying and pasting, and form data. Then we allow full printing rights. And then lastly, we change the owner and user passwords, then save the newly secured PDF as secured.pdf. So let's go ahead and run this project and give it a moment to execute. All right, program has been executed successfully. So let's take a look at the output PDF file. And to open that file, we'll enter the user password. In our case, that's shareable. The file opens, but you'll notice that you're not able to perform any actions, all because it's protected by the owner password. So you can enable editing by clicking on the Enable Editing button and entering the owner's password and clicking OK. And you're now able to make any modifications you want to the PDF file. All right, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough of using passwords with PDFs helpful. And don't forget to subscribe if you like some more helpful and useful tips and tricks from Iron Software. And if you're interested, we do have a trial subscription. Go ahead and click on the link below and check it out for yourself.